Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and we're going to run through a few of this week's biggest stories in the mining industry. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, or leave us a comment below. Let's get into it.
The gold price fell below the $2,600 per ounce level this week, responding to the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate cut at its final meeting of the year. The central bank lowered its key rate by 25 basis points on December 18th, bringing it to the 4.25 to 4.5% range. It's now made 100 basis points worth of cuts in 2024. The Fed also shared its latest dot plot chart, which shows where each official thinks the federal funds rate is headed. It indicates that officials see only 2 25 basis point cuts in 2025, lower than the previous projection of 4 25 basis point cuts. Speaking at a press conference after the Fed's meeting, Chair Jerome Powell said the Fed will exercise caution in 2025, looking for progress on inflation and strength in the labor market. He also said the decision to cut this week was a closer call. Gold hasn't been below $2,600 since mid-November, a decline that followed Donald Trump's victory in the US election. The yellow metal was quick to recover at that time, and in the long term, many of the experts I've been speaking to see it going much higher. Powell also rained on the Bitcoin parade in his post-meeting comments, saying the Fed isn't allowed to own it and won't be looking to change that. The popular cryptocurrency has been on a tear since Trump was elected, buoyed by the president-elect's pro-crypto attitude and talk of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Powell's comments had a dampening effect, pushing Bitcoin below 100,000. Paladin Energy has received approval from Canadian authorities for its acquisition of Fission Uranium. The $1.14 billion deal was first announced in June, but in October the Canadian government said it needed to review the transaction on national security grounds. The country has become more cautious about opening up its resources to foreign entities. Fission's main asset is its Patterson Lake South project in Saskatchewan's prolific Athabasca Basin. Paladin sees the asset as a natural fit for its portfolio and said when the deal was announced that it had the resources to advance it to production. A group of U.S. graphite companies is calling for the American government to impose tariffs of as much as 920% on Chinese suppliers of the commodity, saying the Asian nation is engaging in what they call malicious trade practices. The American Active Anode Material Producers Coalition is petitioning the U.S. Department of Commerce and International Trade Commission to initiate a trade investigation and put tariffs on both natural and synthetic graphite from China. While the U.S. has a 25% tariff on most Chinese graphite, the group argues it's far too low. So far, there hasn't been a response from the government.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below.